Well, hello everybody. Welcome back to the channel. I appreciate you being here. It's a little strange coming to you from this perspective, but some of you know that I was going to try to explain about these cochlear implants, try to give you some on-board information on the procedure in case you're thinking about doing such a thing. It is quite an ordeal. I got out of the hospital yesterday, Tucson Medical Center, and I have a top-notch surgeon. His name is RVer Jacob. I mean, really a nice guy. And I'm going to put up just a little bit of a film I have with him, a little bit of video I have with him. He's such a really super guy, really is. Highly respected here. Anyway, I just want to tell you real quickly the procedure here that I went through so that you'll know what to expect. And that is, I had 3 hearing tests. I had a CAT scan, and an MRI scan, and several consultations back and forth. And finally, they admitted me into the hospital yesterday and did the procedure. They're really, really super nice at that Tucson Medical Center. Really nice. And they are very thorough. They must have asked me to verify myself. Let's make sure it's me. I bet you a dozen times. But they got through the procedure. Dr. Jacob did do the procedure. They knocked me completely out so I wouldn't be moving my head. And I went in the recovery room for about an hour and a half, and then my wife, Cindy, picked me up, and I'm back home. This is the next day. I'm very dizzy because of the balance is controlled by the ears, and they actually insert the probes, this device. They cut it into under my skin. They put the device under there. Dr. Jacob actually attached it into the cochlea itself. And so I'll be very dizzy and nauseous for some time. I'll be out of commission for a little bit. And I just wanted to report into you. If you go through this, expect this. The cost of this for this, in this particular case, was $82,700. And that's just for the hospital part and the procedure and the device and the surgeon and all the technicians so far at the hospital. There was some before that in the neurological sciences where Dr. Jacobs has his office. And so the whole thing, we expect, my copay has been like $1,000 so far for this. The way it's paid for is Medicare. They bill Medicare the $82,000. Then Medicare will pay what they want to pay or what they organize to pay or deem necessary to pay. And they will pay a little over $30,000, and the hospital will accept that, and the doctor will accept that. Out of pocket for an $82,000 charge so far for us is only $1,000. I'm not complaining. I just want you to know what to expect. It is an ordeal, but hey, everybody, part 2 here. What a difference a day makes. Yesterday was the first day from the hospital, or the day after the hospital. Man, I was sick, tired. I was nauseous. I couldn't stand. Now I'm eating. I'm just a little bit shaky. We go back and we have this activated, have it turn on. This has got to heal. It takes a full month for it to heal. Then we go back to Dr. Jacob, and he activates this thing with the outside, the external part of the cochlear implant. And then I want you to be there. I really want to set this camera up, and I want you to be there to see what takes place when he turns this thing on. Remember, I only have 2%. I don't know how I'm gonna react. I'm kind of an emotional kind of guy, but to suddenly gain hearing after 30, 40 years of not hearing out of this ear, not hearing good anyway. So anyway, I'm gonna wrap this up. I hope you enjoyed taking you through the steps. It really was an incredible journey. Everybody involved was just beautiful, just sweet and good. This Tucson Medical Center, they are top notch. It's like a well-oiled machine. I'll tell you what, there must have been a couple of hundred people involved in this people on the other end of computers, people registering, people, nurses, just all kinds of people who were so friendly, y'all. So friendly, so good. And Dr. Jacob, he's a super guy, y'all. But I'm going to see you Thursday. We're going to upload another video. You know, RVer USA Freedom Road. We upload on Thursdays. We're going to have something for you. I won't be climbing any mountains, but we're going to have something for you. I think what I'm going to do is give you a tour of the motorhome and see how this 35K 2016 Bounder, how it winds out in your opinion. Subscribe to this channel. I want you to share this. I don't hear more about it now. I want you to subscribe to this channel. Give us a thumbs up. Leave a comment. We really appreciate that. Hit that notification bell, and we will see you next Thursday. Thank you for being here. You're too cool for summer school.